Hey everyone, it's Kim, Angeldreamcrafts, and I'm here to share something very exciting with you. I was contacted by this company, BBcraft, and they are bbcraft.com, a couple of weeks ago, and by a lovely lady named Lisa. Hi Lisa! And she asked me if I would be interested in doing some designing for her company, and I went and looked at their website. And I was really excited with what I saw. They have lots of really great stuff, and I'm sure you've probably seen other YouTubers who have hooked up with this wonderful company and the projects that they have shared. I know that Jeanette, who is My Cottage Crafts, I believe, is also designing for them. So I'm very excited. I received my first package yesterday, and I want to share with you what I got. And of course, you're going to find the link to bbcraft.com in the description box. You can go over and check everything out. So they sent me 3 different kits, and I'm going to try and do a video on each one of these and doing projects on each one of these. So let me share with you this first kit. I loved this when I saw it. I thought it was really, really cool. And what I also love is their kits come in these really great boxes. So storage is easy. These are great ways to store the products. Really solid plastic containers with a nice clasp on the front. So yeah, I really love the containers, and of course you can alter the containers as well. So this kit, which I'll have a link to in the description box, it has some really fun and cute little pins in here. And of course, you know, I love quilt pins. So this is what's in here. This one. There's a couple of those, and then there's a couple of just plain smaller quilt pins. So I thought that was really, really cool. And there's also some earrings in here, but I am not going to make earrings with these. I'm going to be doing something else with these. So stay tuned for that. It also comes with different sizes of jump rings. Hopefully you can see those. And it also comes with the pins to make dangles. And then of course you've got the pins with the loops. And I am not like a professional jewelry maker or anything, but I'm excited to play with these. Hope you can see those. So there's different kinds of pins to make dangles, so I'm really excited about that. So you also get these beautiful, gorgeous pearls, and these are glass, which I thought was really cool that they've got glass, not plastic. So I love these. I think these are the 4mm, if I'm not mistaken. And then these are also glass. I was impressed with the quality of the products as well. These are beautiful. Look at these. They're stars. I love these. They're just very faceted and very glistening. I absolutely love these. And again, like I said, they are glass. So I'm going to take those. And then also in here, you get these really cool shell pieces. They're like mother of pearl almost. I love them. Those are real shells. So I love those too. So I'm going to put those back in there. And then these beautiful glass stars. And everything came in little baggies, so it was shipped well, packaged well. And then there's a bunch of little charms in this section. Let me see if I can get some of these out. There we go. So there's 3 different charms. There's a butterfly, a feather, and a little bear. Super cute, right? So that is this package. They get a lot in the little kit. it's really exciting. So that's going to be fun to alter. I cannot wait to make little charms. These would be great for junk journals, of course. Look at the size of these little quilt pins. You know, they're perfect for hanging off your journals, or you could make a nice dangle brooch for yourself even. But altering these is going to be so much fun. So let me put this away here. So that's the first kit they sent me. I love that. And this second kit, I'm so excited about. This is like, it comes with an instruction manual as well with this one. Now these are, again, an earring set, but I will not be making earrings. And these are the earrings you can make with this set. But I will not be making earrings. I'm going to make something else. But I'll be using everything in the kit. And it tells you how to attach them, what the little beads are for, everything. So that was cool. This one's called the Indian Jhumki Dangle Earring Set. I hope I said that right. But like I said, I'm not going to be making earrings with these. I'm doing something else, something different. So I'm excited about that. So let me show you. And again, I'm so impressed with these containers they come in. Really solid containers. And the quality, like I said, is just amazing. So as you can see, it's got the little pins, and it's got the earring hooks. And I will be using both of those in a different way. So you get a package each of those. And then I won't take them out, but you get these gorgeous beads. This is like a purple and a black in here. And this is like a jade and a lighter purple. And this one is yellow and like a reddy orange. And again, they're all glass. So you get all that selection. And then these are just absolutely amazing. I'm going to take all these out. So I'm going to just put that aside for a second. So in here, the metals that you get 2 each of these. Hopefully you can see those. And these are very solid pieces. They're very, very good quality. I think that's what impressed me the most, was the quality of the pieces. And there's 2 of these small little bell pieces. You can see there. And then on the side, 2 small ones there. And then you get 2 of the bigger bells. And again, they've got the little loop on the top, and then all the little loops on the bottom as well. Super pretty, and again, really good quality. You get 2 of these. I love these, super cute. I can't wait to play with these. Do they have, oh no. They have these little sort of areas here. You could probably pop a rhinestone in there. That would be cute. And then they have, I think there's, do they come apart? Maybe not. Nope. There's 2 of these. These are in a pewter color. You can see that there's pewter and silver, and there's the difference in the color. 2 of those, and then 2 of these. And they're a really good size. So these are gorgeous. I love these. I think they're so amazing. I kind of, when I saw this kit, I was like, oh, that's one kit I'm having for sure. I absolutely love them. And everything fits like really nicely inside. You just kind of stack them all back up again and put them in there. And they fit right in there. So that's this kit, and I love that they gave an instruction sheet with this, but so it will come in handy for some of what I want to do, but again, I'm not going to be making earrings with these, so, but I am excited about that one. And then lastly, this is a big kit that I got. You guys know I love to make my boho beads. I love that they came, each kit came in these wonderful plastic bags as well. Like, everything was shipped so wonderfully. So let me put those aside. So this kit came with some wire, well actually I think it's string, elastic string maybe, for making bracelets. Is that elastic? Yeah, this is elastic. So you get a full spool of the thread with this kit. And this is a beautiful, beautiful bead kit. Look at all these gorgeous pearls you get in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 different colors. And these are all glass pearls. They're absolutely stunning and beautiful. Look at that color. Love it. So just beautiful. Oops, so just beautiful for making boho beads. And then you get 6 different kinds of bead spacers as well in here. I mean, that is a wonderful kit. The prices are amazing at BB Craft, and it comes already in its storage container for you. So, I mean, how great is that? I absolutely am so excited about working with this company and playing with these lovely kits. So that is my first package from BB Craft. I'm really excited, you guys. Something fun and new and different. So we're going to be doing some beadwork and some jewelry making and just, you know, all kinds of fun things that I have planned for these wonderful little kits. So stay tuned for those, and please go over and check out bbcraft.com. Let me open these up again so you can see how beautiful everything is on camera here. There we go. Everything is just super wonderful, really good quality. I love all of it. So thank you, Lisa, and I will be back with another video soon, guys, but stay tuned for my BB Craft projects. Talk to you soon. Bye!